Okay, we are back with another video for Super Mario Bros. Wonder. Here we have Light Switch Mansion, difficulty 2 stars, so that's actually easier than the other one I just had up yesterday. So here is oh, how about that? There's the light switch. They're so shy. Stay right there, brother. Alright, let's do this. Nope, can't get up there. Nope. No, that was dumb. 3 doors. There's that. Teeth monster. Guessing I'm gonna beat him. Can I go through the door? So, what do all these doors do? I mean, I went past 3 of them already. That did nothing. Oh, look at that. Alright, there's something back there. Boop! He looks so funny when he's so small. Not too bad. Not too bad. Fried him. Ah, there's a wall there. Oh no, he stopped just in time.
I love this ride!
Oh no, I missed it. Ah, that was a horrible jump on my part. Go. Bad job all the way around. You lose.
I love this ride!
Oop. My fault. Hello, Governor. Got it. I think I missed the Wonder Seed, though, of course. So, where do you think that was? Probably one of those 3 doors that was still in the game, don't you think? Alright guys, let me know what you think of this video down below in the comments, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you every Saturday for a toy unboxing, every Sunday for Pokemon cards, toy hunt shorts every day of the week. I'm on Twitch as well. You can watch live Spider-Man videos on Twitch. And then anything you missed on Spider-Man, you can find here on YouTube. Alright, we're going to head down here for the next video. Talk to you soon.